Okay, we warned you about this days ago with an alert day, and it is unfolding exactly the way the Wave Storm Tracking team told you it would. Even the timing of it all. So let's get over to Brian and get an update.
All right, the next couple hours will be the game show, it looks like, for the area with strong winds. Our main concern here as these storms approach. Now, this is live at Huber's Orchard and Winery. General thunderstorms there, but it looks like a messy setup for sure in that area. The rain, if you look carefully, rain's even blowing sideways there into northern areas of Clark County. 84 degrees in Louisville. Eastern Kentucky just hit 90 degrees. Shepherdsville, 86. Very warm setup. Now, the severe threat is our main concern the next couple of hours with a couple of alerts that are out as far as watches. Tornado watch technically is out for about another hour and 10 minutes. For Louisville, Indiana, all the counties on the Ohio River, actually, and we'll let you know what they decide. They will have to likely reissue something because the line of storms will not be all the way through that watch box by the time it expires. And then a severe thunderstorm watch for the rest of our counties until 10 o'clock. I think everyone would generally more than likely be under a severe thunderstorm watch the way it's looking. Okay, here's the game plan. We've got a partly cloudy sky. Notice the storm motion has been generally to the northeast so far today. Not much happening into Kentucky. Everything's been flying around us across areas just over the river. And that's the reason why we've got so many lightning bolts there. Repeated rainfall. You need to watch that. We do have our first severe thunderstorm warning there across areas of Perry County into western Crawford County. That's a severe thunderstorm warning until 4:15. Now, at the moment, they're indicating the potential kick on this on the wind speed around 60 miles per hour. Some of the other warnings, though, that are being issued along this line are indicating the winds could get up to 70 miles per hour. So watch us carefully. English, Indiana, heads up. The storms are also not far from Patoka Lake. Look at that line that's showing up there just west of Crawford County. That's the wall of wind. It's basically crossing 231, heading just south of the airport there in Huntingburg, and then we'll see how that works out as it gets into Crawford County. That's issue number one. Issue number two will be another round of strong winds on the southern part of that. Look at that strong wind belt right there, crossing 231, heading toward Tell City. If that continues, they're going to have to put a warning out, more than likely very close to portions of Breckinridge County and the rest of Perry County if that trend continues to advance to the east. Severe weather all the way to the south. This is moving fast. Just west of Bowling Green now, severe storms breaking out. You do not want to see this, by the way. You don't want to see cells popping in advance the line. Some of those could pose a brief tornado threat if they can get going. So we'll be watching that carefully over the next couple of hours. So overall, the timing continues to look fast on this. There's even a chance we can take off the 8 o'clock hour from the severe threat and just focus on the 4 o'clock, 5, and part of the 6 o'clock hour, and that's it. And we may be in the clear after that. So that's good that they're moving fast. Bad, because if they're moving fast, that means they've also got a lot of wind potential rolling through the area. So if you're watching from home or work, just be aware the warnings will likely continue to be issued as this line passes on by. 5:30, it'll be bearing down very close to Louisville. It should be through the city into the southeast of downtown anyway, about 6 or 6:30, but still ongoing for our southern counties. And then for the rest of the evening, it'll continue to shift out of our area. But the rain will linger after this. So because of that, rainfall totals could start to get a little high there in southern areas of the state, especially around Greene County, Taylor County, and Adair. So flood watch is out for you guys until 2 o'clock for tomorrow. The good news is we're out of this slowly as far as severe threat or the heavy rain threat through the overnight hours, but the clouds will be the last thing to leave town. That may take until Good Friday to get out of here, by the way. But Easter looks good. Partly sunny temperatures into the 70s. The next week, 70s and 80s will likely begin to rule much of the area. Quick update on your Easter outlook. If you're monitoring that, we are still watching at least a chance to get maybe some clouds in the area, but overall, I think Easter looks to be in fine shape. Okay, we got another. Okay, the warning just clicked on me here. I think Kevin moved it over. Thank you, Kevin. It's a tornado warning now. This is actually just west of our area. This is going to put it south and west of Crawford County. So it's not technically all the way into the wave viewing area at the moment, but it's a tornado warning right at that strong wind belt that was approaching Tell City. This is including the Spencer County area. You can see it's until about 4:15 Eastern time or 3:15 Central time. But again, that wind belt was really strong there on the velocity as it was moving through the area. Not sure if I'm able to pop that on. I'll see if I can. But that wind belt, again, was real strong right there in that southern portion of the line, heading right into Perry County. So if you're in Perry County, by all means, get ready. And this may continue all the way to Meade. Stay tuned. It's an active setup. It's going to be busy next couple of hours. We got our eyes on it. More to come after the break.
Cool.